keep it simple in your business. It's like, that's why we say, don't go get a big shop, because when you have a big shop, I got to put stuff in it.
Right.
I
Fill
gotta
this
put
bad
stock,
boy up.
Right.
And then if I'm going to put stuff in it, stock in it, then you know what I need? Parts manager.
Right.
I need
and
a
all
parts
that.
manager.
And it starts, all that complexity starts creeping in. Keep it simple. Every process, everything you're doing, is this the simplest way to do it?
Right.
Okay, not that it's the sexiest or the fanciest or the latest, whatever, the shiny thing that's out now. Is what I'm doing was simple that works.
Right.